Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add Adblock to Google Chrome, and here's how it's done. Open Chrome. Launch your Google Chrome browser. Visit the Chrome Web Store. Use a search engine, example Google, to search for Chrome Extension Store, or go directly to chrome.google.com/webstore. Search for Adblock. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Adblock. Look for the official version, example Adblock. Get adblock.com with many reviews and users. Example, 10 million plus. Add to Chrome. Click Add to Chrome next to the Adblock extension. Confirm by clicking Add extension in the pop-up. The extension will download and install automatically. Start blocking ads. After installation, Adblock will activate and ads will be blocked on most websites. Manage Adblock. To pause or disable Adblock on certain sites, click the puzzle piece extensions icon in the top right corner. Select Adblock, then choose to pause or unpause as needed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.